a premium theme, I always recommend Theme Forest. So that's the website I'm going to be using to purchase my premium theme. So you can use it to get any type of theme. So we're going to be getting a WordPress theme from here, as you can see. So it's very easy for you to just locate WordPress by clicking the option you have, by selecting type of templates. So after that, I'm going to search for HR, because I'm looking for a team that is based on HR. So looking at the teams, you're going to be seeing different prices and also their rating based on people's opinion, and also how many purchases those teams have had. So basically that's what you're seeing right now. And okay, so you might actually want to check the type of theme by preview by clicking on that preview button, and after clicking there, you can see how the website is going to look like. Selecting some of the website comes with, or some of the themes comes with different home page that you can try out. So I'm going to try one of this home page. So looking at it right now, it's loading up. Yeah, so this is how the theme home page look like. The selected home page I chose, this is how it looks like. So if I'm okay with this, I can easily just go back to my theme forest and purchase that theme. So it's easy as that to purchase a premium theme on theme forest. So you can just click to buy, and then after clicking to buy, follow through with the process to the end. Yes, so if you have some other things you want to buy, you might just add to your cart, but we're going to go on with the process of buying. So after clicking on that, fill in all your details, your billing details and your card details, everything, and then you are free to go. You just click on that purchase button, and then you're done. So when you're done purchasing, the next thing you want to do is you just want to go on your dashboard on your Team Forest account, and you, yes, just go to where you have your name, your account, then select download. So that's where all the themes you've bought on Team Forest is going to be. So you can now click on that download button. You have a drop down of different options. You have to install WordPress file only. So when you're done downloading, that's the end. You're free to use the theme on any WordPress installed on a website. So that is basically how you buy a theme. I hope you this video is helpful. Yes, I'm going to leave the link to Theme Forest so you can easily buy whatever theme you want, maybe a WordPress theme or a bootstrap theme. Any theme you want, you can buy it on Theme Forest. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoy it. See you in my next video. Bye.